The iPhone XS Max is a classic large-screen phone launched by Apple 6 years ago. It can still meet daily needs today. Do you also have an iPhone XS Max in your drawer? Find it out quickly, and today I will teach you how to change the screen and battery, so that the phone can be revived and used as a spare phone or for the elderly and children. Order screens and batteries from Polartec, and don't forget to bring a set of PTT13 tools. Let's look at the screen replacement tutorial first. If your phone has never been repaired, the waterproof adhesive of the screen will be more firmly bonded. We take out the magic heating pads, tear off the packaging and take them out, and wait for 10 minutes. The magic heating pads will be hot. Stick the magic heating pads on the screen, and wait for another 10 minutes. At this time, the screen feels hot, and you can start to disassemble the machine. Take out the Pentalobe 0.8 screwdriver from the toolbox and unscrew the two fixing screws. Use the suction cup to pull up a gap, insert the disassembly card, and draw a circle around it. If the screen is still very tight or the screen is broken badly and the suction cup cannot be pulled up, you can use the safety razor blade to insert and pry it up, and then insert the triangle or card. We have heated it up, and it should be easy to slide. If you still have difficulties, drop a few drops of alcohol. After opening the screen, use the tri-point 0.6 screwdriver to remove the screws of the fixed cover sticker. Please arrange the screws in order, and you will need to reinstall them in order later. Incorrect screws may cause holes in the motherboard. It is recommended to use CXDO1 magnetic project mat to remember the screw positions. Disconnect the battery with a spudger or fingernail, and then disconnect the touch connector, display connector, and earpiece cable connector in sequence. At this time, the entire screen can be removed. We take out the new screen and compare it. We need to transfer the original earpiece cable to the new screen. This step must be very careful. The cable is very fragile, and the breakage of the cable will affect Face ID and other functions. Remove the 3 fixing screws, and also arrange the screws in order. We remove it together with the sensor bracket, but our new screen has a bracket, so we remove the old bracket and install the cable on the new bracket. Install the screws back in order. Then buckle the screen cable back to the motherboard. Pay attention to buckle the other cable interfaces first, and then buckle the battery last. Install the patch and screws, turn on the machine for testing, and check whether the screen display and touch in each position are normal. If there is no problem, you can buckle back the screen and install the bottom screws. If there is a problem, disconnect the battery, check if the seat is buckled tightly, reinstall it, and connect the battery again for testing. The screen installation is complete. If you need to replace the battery, please refer to the next episode.